SCHOOL school. BOY boy. GIRL girl. TEACHER teacher. Parts of the body. EYEI. EAR ear. FACE face. NOSE nose. MOUTH mouth. HEAD head. HAN hand. LIG leg. FOOT foot. ARM arm. Hello. HELLO hello. GOOD good. MORNING good morning. WELCOME welcome. HI hi. HORWAREYOU how are you? I am fine. FINE fine. THANKYOU thank you. GOOD good. BAY bye. Goodbye. BYE bye. BOOK book. PENCILCASE case pencil case. WATER water. BOTTIL water bottle. BAG bag. PENCIL pencil. PEN pen. SHARPENER sharpener. ERASER eraser ruler. RULER things in my classroom. DOOR door. COMPUTER computer. DESK desk. CHAIR chair. TABLE table. Thank you everyone for watching me.